Jai Hind cadets. Today again we are going to talk about the life of a cadet, right? जिसका एक ड्रीम था एनडीए ज्वाइन करना है and finally along with his 12th class he is able to clear his written examination. एनडीए क्लियर किया है, एसएस में recommend हुआ है and now we are proud that he has been ranked 509 in All India merit list of National Defence Academy. So Manan, heartiest congratulations to you.
थैंक यू सर।
7 years का एक ड्रीम था कि हमें एनडी ज्वाइन करना है। जर्नी इतनी आसान होती नहीं है, जैसे हम देखते हैं ऑलमोस्ट 6 लाख कैंडिडेट्स हैं हु ड्रीम ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग नेशनल डिफेंस एकेडमी बिकॉज एनडी इज द मोस्ट प्रेस्टिजियस डिफेंस इंस्टीट्यूशन, राइट? आई वुड
Yes,
से,
sir.
राइट? तो I just want to know what are the pitfalls or what are the tough situations that you have faced in your journey to India?
Sir, first of all, when entering the Sainik School, I did the All India Sainik School entrance exam in 2019, and at that time I was not too well in studies, but somehow I cleared the written examination for Sainik School and got into the school. After that, the normal schedule of school started, and when I went to the school, then I got to know there is something called NDA, which at that time also I just know something is NDA, and our school cadets go to there, but I was not sure about it. But after getting into 9th and 10th, when getting into senior classes, we ourselves see our seniors getting into NDA, clearing the written, getting recommended for their interviews in SSB. So their happiness that we see in their faces was a different kind of emotion that we haven't ever experienced. So it was first of all a kind of motivation for us to also join the National Defence Academy, and then we started preparing for it. And while preparation, as I told that I was not too much great in studies previously, but coping up with studies with my school co-curricular activities, participating in different activities, because I was also a part of school football team and basketball team twice, so managing my studies with the games. So it was a little bit I would say time consuming, but not exactly it made a problem in my preparation.
एब्सोल्युटली। सो मन थोड़ा सा अपना बैकग्राउंड के बारे में बताओगे, मतलब आपका कहाँ से बिलोंग करते हो, योर पेरेंट्स, सो दैट पीपल शुड आल्सो नो कि आप एक हम्बल बैकग्राउंड से अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करके यू कैन ज्वाइन डिफेंस फोर्सेस। नॉर्मली एक पब्लिक ओपिनियन रहता है कि सिर्फ जो डिफेंस बैकग्राउंड वाले लोग होते हैं वही लोग जो है वो एनडी ज्वाइन करते हैं। सो प्लीज।
So, sir, basically, I am from Hamirpur, Himachal Pradesh, in the Tehsil Nadon, and basically, my father and mother both are teachers. And talking about army background, then in that my grandfather was in army, but he got retired in 1999. Sorry, 1997. And after that, no one is from defense background, and we are from just normal.
सो why you chose Indian Air Force?
Sir, it all started with the when I was in class 11th, and not in class 11th, it was class 10th when we first saw the Top Gun Maverick movie by Tom Cruise, and it was a great inspiration for me by seeing the planes and all. And after that, we also went when we were on the tour of National Defence Academy in class 11th. At that time, we visited the Air Force Station Lohegaon, and there we ourselves saw the Su-30 in live. We saw the cockpit from inside, and that just grilled me the inspiration to join the Indian Air Force at any cost.
ग्रेट। सो इंस्पिरेशन तो चाहिए, है ना? मोटिवेशन
Yes,
एक
sir.
मतलब अगर आपने कुछ लाइफ में करना है तो ये क्लियर होना चाहिए कि क्यों करना है, राइट? करने का तो वो बाद में स्टार्ट होता है, बट
Yes,
फर्स्ट
sir.
हैव टू बी क्लियर दैट व्हाई वी हैव टू बी देयर, राइट? अगर आप भी एनडीए जाना चाहते हैं तो इट हैज टू बी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्वेश्चन, वी मस्ट आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन, व्हाई एनडीए? वी हैव प्लेंटी ऑफ चॉइसेस, बट एनडीए ही क्यों, राइट?
Yes, sir.
ओके। सो जब एनडीए में आप एसएसबी बोर्ड में आप इंटरव्यू के लिए गए, एसएसबी मैसूर में आप एस सो जब आप एसएसबी के लिए गए मैसूर सेंटर पे, तो नर्वसनेस थी?
Not exactly, sir, because I was well prepared, and the idea था that what are the things that I have to go through.
पता था कि क्या
And,
होने वाला है ना?
and
Good.
to be very frank, the previous night before going to the Mysore for SSB, me along with my best friend Aditya Saklani, first of all, we got the same date and same center. So we were just discussing that we are only going to get recommended. It is just a hurdle of 5 days that we have to go through the process.
मतलब कॉन्फिडेंस था कि
Yes, sir.
क्लियर है कि होना ही है ना?
Yes, sir.
राइट। गुड, ग्रेट। तो जब इस कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ आप जाते हो ना, तो थिंग्स आर बाउंड टू हैपन। बात कॉन्फिडेंस की हो रही है कि अगर कॉन्फिडेंस होगा तो चीज़ें तो हो जाएंगी, राइट? बट चैलेंज कहाँ पर आता है? ये कॉन्फिडेंस जो बिल्ड होता है, इट्स नॉट समथिंग कि किसी ने कह दिया कि आप कॉन्फिडेंट होना चाहिए तो कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होता। वो कॉन्फिडेंस लाने के लिए आपको इंटरनली अपने आप को बिल्डअप करना पड़ता है, राइट? एंड मनन हैज गॉन थ्रू द प्रोसेस, राइट? He has been, apart from being good in academics, he has been doing well in sports. He represented school in football in the zonal tournaments. North zone में represent किया था. Apart from that, he was also playing basketball, and apart from a lot of other responsibilities, he was holding as school adjutant in the campus, right? To making the students disciplined, mess in charge, right? So he has plenty of the things apart from managing the academics. जब आप उन सब एक्शन में इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, उन सब एक्टिविटीज में इन्वॉल्व होते हैं ना, तो ऑटोमेटिकली यू फील कॉन्फिडेंट कि यार आई कैन डू इट, राइट? जब आप बाकी चीज़ें कर पा रहे हो तो ये चीज़ें भी हो जाएंगी, राइट? सो डेफिनेटली विद टाइम जो आपका हॉस्टल लाइफ रहा है, यू लर्न लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स ओवर देयर,
Yes, sir.
तो जो यंगस्टर्स हैं जो जाना चाहते हैं कि नेशनल डिफेंस अकेडमी ज्वाइन करना है, तो उनके लिए क्या एक मैसेज देना चाहोगे आप?
For them, the message is clear. Just be determined to your goal, and with determination, you will get courage, you will get happiness, and the time when you will be able to crack the written, it will be the emotion that will make you clear the SSB also. And in SSB, there is only one suggestion that I would like to give to everybody is just to be normal and to be yourself in the SSB. No need to fake. There are different cases when different candidates used to fake themselves, like we used to do this, we used to do this, but they don't know anything. Instead of that, start going by gaining a hobby, learn about some hobby, and go with it, and it will make you in for sure.
For that matter, I just want to ask you one question. What is your hobby?
So my hobby is software development.
ओके, राइट। सो जब आप इंटरव्यू में गए तो आपने वहाँ पर PIQ फॉर्म में मेंशन किया होगा,
Yes, sir.
राइट? सो एनी क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू हॉबी?
Sir, around I would say that 50% of my SSB interview was on my hobby only, and it was all about that how I was gaining experience by being a school appointment, managing studies, and along with that I'm also doing software development.
Right.
And in that also that I have done for more than 4.5 years I've been doing this. So the main question was only this, that how am I managing it?
When did you learn this software development?
Sir, it was the time of COVID when we got the lockdown, and in the home, the time I was having a plenty of time, and at that time I got to know something that there is coding and all. I did a little pre-class from White Hat Junior and got interest in that. I didn't join the White Hat Junior course, but just demo class just was the inspiration for me to go with the coding, and then I started doing coding, and from then I have been doing coding and software development in different softwares.
राइट। तो बात यहाँ पर आती है कि जब आपके पास टाइम, जब हम एक प्रीवियस पॉडकास्ट में हमने बात करी थी, राइट? तो वहाँ पर भी ये बात हो रही कि देखो, जब आप NDA में सिलेक्ट हो रहे हैं, दे आर लुकिंग इनटू योर टेम्परामेंट, राइट? जब आपके पास कुछ काम नहीं करने, तो आज के यंगस्टर्स हम देखा, जब कोई काम नहीं है तो व्हाट दे आर डूइंग इज रील्स, शॉर्ट्स, सोशल मीडिया, ऑल दोस, दे एंगेजिंग देमसेल्फ इनटू दीज थिंग्स, राइट? एंड जो एक प्रोडक्टिविटी है ना, राइट, कि जो एक लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज़ की बात करते हैं, तो एक कैंडिडेट के माइंड में क्लियर होना चाहिए कि उसके पास जो टाइम है, दैट इज द मोस्ट वैल्यूएबल थिंग, एंड हाउ यू यूटिलाइजिंग इट. तो यू कैन सी that he's also into the same domain, right? But whenever he is getting some time, extra time मिल रहा है, तो he is putting the time in productive learning. That is adding the value in his personality, in his skill set, right? And ultimately, these are the things, these are the small steps that make you different from the crowd. भीड़ से आपको अलग करते हैं. So जो भी youngsters हैं, ठीक है, NDA is definitely your goal, but otherwise also life में it's very important कि whenever you are having your time and you make मतलब best use of that time, उसको एक productive way में आप use करो, add some value to your personality, add some value to your skill set, right? And you will definitely be a different man the time to come, right? So Manan, want to know कि जब आप SSB के लिए गए वहाँ पर, राइट? तो आपका GTO राउंड रहता है, बच्चे बहुत डरते हैं GTO को लेके, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
So as you said, you were well prepared, confident थे कि रिकमेंड तो होना ही है ना,
Yes, sir.
राइट? So what were your topic for GD group discussion?
So for group discussion, the first topic was on ISRO and what are the different aspects that are contributing in the development of ISRO,
Right.
advancement of Indian space research, and that how it is expanding and why it is expanding. And
Okay.
second वाली याद नहीं है sir.
सेकंड
दूसरा
वाली
वाला
याद नहीं है, राइट? और तो मतलब फोकस उस पे जिस पे बोलना था उसी पे फोकस
Yes.
है ना? ठीक है। एंड व्हाट आर योर लेक्चरर टॉपिक्स?
So for my lecturate, it was international issues like India-Iran relation, and why there is a lot of gap in the wealth in India. Like we have seen Ambani, and there are some poor people also on the streets. So why there is so much wealth gap, and there were two or more topic. One was your favorite hobby, and one was your pet. So I spoke on Indian-Iran relation at that time.
ओके, राइट, गुड। अब अदरवाइज भी अभी इस टाइम के ऊपर देखा जाए तो ईरान अदरवाइज इन हाईली
Yes, sir.
फोकस है। उस टाइम पे इतना फोकस में नहीं था जितना कि आज
Yes,
की
sir,
डेट में
yes, sir.
फोकस में। राइट, वेरी ट्रू, राइट। सो जो आपका एसएसबी बोर्ड जब स्टार्ट हुआ, इंटरव्यू स्टार्ट हुआ, तो व्हाट वाज द रिपोर्टिंग एंड हाउ मेनी स्क्रीन्ड इन, हाउ मेनी गॉट रिकमेंडेड?
So at that time, our reporting was on 5 January, and on that day, in the morning, the reporting was around 118 number, and out of 180, 80 got screened in, and after that, 17 got recommended.
So 17 out of 180 we can say, right?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Overall.
The almost 1 out of 10 candidates is getting recommended.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So Manan, at school you were holding a lot of responsibilities, right?
Yes,
आज की डेट में मतलब किसी को रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दी जाती है या टास्क दिए जाते हैं तो मतलब यंगस्टर्स के माइंड में लगता है कि यार मुझे क्यों काम दिया जा रहा है ना?
Yes,
राइट। घर पे भी कई बार हमने देखा, कई बार पेरेंट्स बात कहते हैं कि बच्चों को टास्क देते हैं तो दे आर अनविलिंग टू परफॉर्म दोज थिंग्स, राइट? और हो तो उल्टा भी रहा है कि पेरेंट्स एंगेज ही नहीं कर रहे हैं बच्चों को किसी काम में, राइट?
Yes.
बट एट स्कूल यू आर होल्डिंग, बीइंग हॉस्टल, राइट, यू आर होल्डिंग सो मेनी ऑफ द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ओवर देयर, राइट?
Yes, sir.
सो हाउ दोज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज शेप्ड योर लाइफ? मतलब जब आप स्टार्ट किया आपने अपना 6th क्लास में, ठीक है, और तब से लेके 12th तक, राइट, यू feel that there is change in your personality?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Actually, sir, genuinely telling that when I was in class 6th, I would like to say that I was not homesick. I was not bonded with like that thing that I was crying or like that with like other cadets. But instead, I was not organized. But when I came to class 9th, at that time I was given the appointmentship of dorm captain, which is just managing class 6th guys who are newcomers and helping them out throughout their whole session. So at that time I was dorm captain. In class 10th I dropped out the dorm captainship and came to my house. After that, in class 11th I became the house adjutant, and in class 12th I became the school adjutant. So being an appointment in the school has basically ingrilled so many qualities, I would like to say, because I was able to manage when I was a school adjutant, I was managing the whole school, and with the whole school I was managing my academics, and along with that there were different co-curricular and curricular activities also going on, sports, debates, declamations. So there were so many things, and genuinely telling that participating in these kind of activities, let it be appointmentship, let it be these declamation or co-curricular or curricular activities, these are going to make you somehow are going to make you better in in different fields. When it comes to the declamation and debates, it's speaking. When it comes to appointmentship, then it comes to organizing and influencing the group, which is also OLQ. So this is how all influenced me and helped me in improving myself.
जब भी हम एसएसबी की इंटरव्यू की बात करते हैं, सीधी बात चली जाती है OLQs के ऊपर, ऑफिसर लाइक क्वालिटीज़ के ऊपर। ऑफिसर लाइक क्वालिटीज़ में जैसे हम बात कर रहे थे अभी, मनन वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट इट, राइट, दैट इज योर डिसीजन मेकिंग। व्हेन यू आर इन रिस्पॉन्सिबल पोजीशन, राइट, तो ऑटोमेटिकली यू हैव टू टेक द डिसीजंस, राइट, एंड योर डिसीजन मेकिंग इंप्रूव्स, राइट, यू बिकम मोर कॉन्फिडेंट। रिस्पॉन्सिव सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, जब आपके पास रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है तो ऑफकोर्स दैट यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ दोज थिंग, दोज एस्पेक्ट्स, राइट। एंड देन ऑफकोर्स डिटर्मिनेशन एंड करेज दैट कम्स ऑटोमेटिकली, जब आपको पता है कि अलॉन्ग विद स्टडीज यू हैव टू एंगेज इन योरसेल्फ, यू हैव टू टेक आउट टाइम फॉर योर these extracurricular activities or extra responsibilities, right? You have to spend time in ground as well, right? So ultimately जब हम बात करते हैं OLQs की, it's not something that can be taught in the classroom, right? These are the things that practically need to be learned, right? And they need a lot of time, and उसके लिए जो है वो hostel life is the one of the best way forward, as we have as Manan has talked about it. So Manan, on behalf of Nimbus Defense Academy, I wish you all the best, right?
Thank you, sir.
You grow to the very top heights in defense forces, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. All the best.
Thank you, sir.